Hello and welcome. My name is Mark Hansen. I'm the BizCard Guy. This is the fifth in a series of video tutorials showing SBIers how to get audio on their website. The first thing I'd like you to do is create a folder on your desktop and name it Uploads. Inside that folder I'd like two things. The audioplayer.zip file that you should have downloaded from the One Pixel Out website. The second thing in there is the welcome message.mp3 file that you created using Audacity. A little later in the video, I'm going to show you how to create two HTML documents, and I will provide a text file to do just that. Now, when we're working with those text files, you will need a simple HTML editor. I happen to use Mozilla's Composer, although any simple HTML editor will do. After that, we're going to log into SBI and upload your MP3 and the .swf files. A little later in the video, we'll copy paste some HTML code into the home page of your website, and your MP3 player will appear and play your message. This is the Uploads folder that I have on my desktop. The top file in this folder is the audio player zip file. Let's double click on that. My Zip Genius utility takes over. Halfway down the list of things that are in that file is this one. It's titled player.swf. If you click on that, highlight it, and click the extract button, we're going to extract that file back into the Uploads folder on our desktop. Click extract, and there it is. That's our Flash player that we're going to upload to SBI. The next thing that we're going to do is create two HTML documents. From my website, you will be able to download this text file. Within this text file are two snippets of code. One is the support file code. The second is the media file code. Let's copy the first snippet of code, copy that to your clipboard, and then bring up your simple HTML editor. Paste that code inside the editor. This is the support file upload code. Then go under, this code is okay the way it is. You don't need to make any changes to it. Go to the File menu and pull down to the Save and typeset support file upload. Do not have any spaces between the words. Save it, OK it, and then we're going to save it into the Uploads folder. And there's that name again, support file upload without spaces. Save that. Now let's go back to our little text document. Let's highlight and copy that to our clipboard, the second snippet of code. Go back to our HTML editor, select all. Let's just delete that first code and paste in the second snippet of code. This is the media file upload code. Now this time, this code will need a small change. Whatever you named your MP3 file that you saved out of Audacity, your welcome message, you need to change this message here. Mine happens to say my welcome message. Whatever your message is, or whatever the name is, you need to change it to that. Once you've made that change, go into the File menu and let's do a Save As this time. We don't want to accidentally save over the support file, and I'd like you to typeset media file upload without spaces between the words. Click Save, and that's now in your Uploads folder. So there you go. We have these important files, the welcome message, the Flash player, and two HTML files. Our next challenge is to upload the MP3 welcome message and the MP3 player. How do you do that? Well, you do that at Site Central. Log into Site Build It, go to Site Central, and start scrolling down this very familiar page. Once you get to this point, right beneath the Edit Site Builder homepage is this button, Upload Your Own HTML Page. Click on that button and this page will appear. Upload Your Own HTML. Scroll down to the bottom, and right here is Choose Your HTML File. Click on the Browse button and navigate to your Uploads folder. I want you to click on the media file first. This is the HTML that we just created a few minutes ago, and click Open. Then click Upload Your HTML Page. In a few moments you should get this upload has been successful. Click here to continue to step 3. So click there and you'll get another dialog box. Now this one, it says upload your images and supporting files. Now this is that message, my welcome message.mp3 file. I need to click on the Browse button. We're going back to the Uploads folder, and there it is. This is my welcome message. Highlight that and click Open. Then click Upload these files. Upload is successful. Click here to continue. We're back at the Upload Your Own HTML page, and just like the first time, scroll down to the bottom. Click the Browse from Choose Your HTML File. This time we're going to upload the support file HTML document, and click Open. Click Upload Your HTML. In a few seconds you're going to get this upload was successful. Click here to continue to step 3. Now this is where it's going to request the file. This is the player.swf file that you unzipped from your zip folder. Now in this case it says that it's already here. It says that the status is good. If you remember, when I uploaded my MP3 file, it was red and it said please upload. Now why is it black and good in my case? It's because I have already uploaded that file to Site Build It. I am going to do it again just for your benefit to show you how to do it. Here's Browse button. Go into your Uploads folder and click on this one. It's the player. That's what it's looking for. And click Open. And then upload these files. And it'll upload it. And in a second, there you go, upload was successful. And then you would click here to continue. Now really you're done uploading all of your support files. The only thing that is left to do is copy paste some HTML code into your home page to get this Flash player to work and the sound file to play from. So that's our next job. As you can see, I jumped ahead a little bit. We need to go back to Site Central. This is where we are going to copy paste some code into our home page and embed that player there so that it appears. The first thing we need to do is go and get that code that you got from a previous lesson. You probably recognize this code with the red highlighting and so forth. This code does two things. It colorizes the player, and it also, once we copy paste it into our home page, it embeds the player into our home page. So you needed to change the URL names, colorize it, and change the welcome message name to whatever your name is. So let's highlight it and copy it to our clipboard back to Site Central. Scroll down a little ways. Let's get the Edit Site Builder Homepage button. Click Continue, and Edit Your Site Builder homepage will appear. I'm going to scroll down a little ways. As with everything, you need to experiment a little bit as to where you want that player to appear. I'm having mine show up fairly close to the top. So I click an insertion point and paste the code in there. I have it set up so that the player will center on the page. And let's scroll down to the bottom. Click Preview. Let's see, my page should appear. There it is. Scroll down a little bit, and there's the player. I'm going to let you listen to a few seconds. Well, I'll let you listen to the whole message because it's really not very long. Here we go. Congratulations, SBIer. You've got audio working on your website. Keep up the great work. So there you go. That is a congratulations message from me to you. I hope that these videos were helpful. If you follow my instructions carefully, you should be able to get audio to work on your website. After you get the audio to work on your website, I'd like you to do two things. First of all, go back to the Site Build It forums and pay it forward. Help somebody else get audio on their website, or help them do something else that you know how to do. The second thing I'd like you to do is drop me an email. If these videos were helpful, I would like to know that. If there was mistakes in it, I'd like to know that as well. Also, along with your email, let me know your website URL so that I can go and see your player in action and listen to your welcome message. So congratulations. See you the next time.